Alright, hello everyone. Today I'll be installing this junkyard turn signal stock. It's a bit worn up here, but this is actually out of a one owner 283,000 mile Neon. It's in pretty good shape overall. I mean, wear, but this is a one owner car turn signal stock. And it was, the junkyard only charged me 10 bucks. So, little family owned yard, I know. Been doing business with them for years now, so they sold me that nice and cheap, because unfortunately mine broke. But yeah, let's find a way to pin the camera. Actually, I suppose this will do. This isn't even going to balance at all, is it? No, not one freaking bit. This makes no sense. Well, good enough, I guess. It's probably going to end up falling down anyway. So what you do is you just pull back on these plugs. And you slide your new one in, like so. Make sure you're lining it up. Like so. And then you push it down in. This is stupid. Oh, it just stays sitting up. You can't really see it. I'll hold it wherever. See, it's pushed down in place now. You gotta put the screw in, but let's go ahead and get this little plug, which goes down below. I'm gonna attempt to force it in place. Perhaps. There it goes. No? Yeah. What the frick, bro? This ain't going in. This is... Hold on. Sorry, I can't film it. Just trying to get this thing in, but it won't go, so I'm going to use my eyes this time. That sounds like a good idea. And both my hands. There we go. It's in place. Just got to push it in to snap. I can't do it with one hand. There you go. Snapped in there, so the lower one's plugged in. Then you just push your upper one in. There we go. Sorry about heavy breathing. Not trying to. I'm just wanting to get this thing in here. Now we have our... Dang on, man. Seriously. Screw. Screw goes here. The one down below, you go, oh, we need to put a screw in for that. Well, no, it's this. You put that lower column piece in, which we'll get to that eventually. And also, this is untested. I went in the junkyard, and the only thing I truly tested was when I had to just turn the steering wheel. There's no key, it's just somebody broke the ignition on that little poor car, so it's been there for a few years now at that family-owned junkyard. Which is why this is all just discolored, because somebody left the door open before, and then I closed it back, and I think it got left open again for a few times, so it's discolored, yeah, but it's really not bad. I'll clean it up a little bit nicer, wipe it down, and make it brighter, you know, like ceramic maybe. That was a loud pop. Well, now I go ahead and test it. Key. It's a spare. I have the original in the house. First time the thing's gotten power in a long time. First, I'm going to test this. You better turn off radio, turn down. This thing always glitches. Pattern sounds even. Okay. I just didn't hear it snap earlier. Then, of course, they flash on, and then they... Oh, no. Nope. They don't stay on. You can flash them. I'm a moron. Headlights. See that? They're not broken. I'm just an idiot. But hey, at least this idiot has a working turn signal now. So, thanks. I'm about to say the junkyard name. Thanks, to the junkyard for this turn signal stock. I don't really say the junkyard name because why not? I mean, they're good business and everything. Well, sure. But, I'm not done getting parts yet. So, yeah. There's a set of rims I'd like to grab off of one of their other neons they have. Until then, maybe I'll announce the junkyard name, and then you can go rip parts off cars. But I'd like to get those rims before anybody else. Because they have good tires on them, too. A nice set of racing rims that have nice tires on them. Nice street tires, yeah, but that's what I want. Street tires, I just drive on them daily. I think they look pretty dang sweet in this little car. Anyway, this is a 7-minute video. I was about to say, we end it here. Well, not really. We can install our stuff. And hook that lever. Here's this. The lower section. Actually, real quick. Well, we're going to have to take out the key. So this, I wonder how long it's actually been since the, this turn signal lever. I wonder how long it's been since it's been covered. I'm just curious because, it's been in that little junkyard car for so long now. For many years, to be honest. So I'm just curious, how long has it been since it was last covered with the plastic bezel here. Okay. No key in the ignition. I already see it's a bit messed up, but this is a 95 column. So I had to transfer mine in here somehow, so my key and everything. So that's my custom garbage, as well as it was a little bit messed up when I bought it, but the steering wheel is in really, really nice shape. Anyway, yeah. I'm going to start off with this angle over here, I think. Very careful around the dash, at least in a first generation. For this lower section, it is a very easy thing to break. If you own a first gen, you would know that. I did never break it, I just know that it's very, very fragile. Because the original dash in this car was broken, so I had to grab a junkyard dash, and I got so lucky when I finally found one. Finally, it took a long time, so there you go, it's the hint. Please be careful with the dashboard in a first generation neon. Mine is pretty much mint. Again, that's because I kept my eyes out of junkyards to finally find a darn near pristine dash. So what we're going to do real quick, I jumped up a bit there. There it goes. with one screw there, one screw here, and then you gotta go under there on the back part. I don't think it's gonna seat very well. Oh, there it goes. So, I'll be right back. I'm gonna go get a long Phillips driver. Stepping on my own iPhone. Yeah, screw's not back there. Duh. So we get the screw, balances on the driver. This really long Phillips driver, to be exact. And you gotta feel until it goes into the hole. Doesn't feel like it's really going in there right for some reason. Felt like it was binding up. At least at first. I don't even know if it's screwing in. I believe it is now, but it feels like it's binding again. Dang. Or rather, cross-threading. You can't. Yeah, something's for sure a bit messed up in there. I've never had this before. It's always went in for some reason, and now it just decided I guess it doesn't want to. Oh, that's because something isn't lining up, or the crap. Not sure what, but it's not. There it goes, finally. Okay, I thought it was. Oh, it isn't worth a crap, because over here it's not even inside. In the world, man? I thought I was watching this pretty well. Well, apparently not. I said you're supposed to watch my leg, so. This is great. Just lift up on it, and then it will pop into there. So now we can just tighten that. That's much better. And perhaps one day we'll find the screw. There it is. Again, yep, everything seems to be lined up, so that's good. I'll go over them again. This one's a bit loose. That one's tight. 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 And now you can see nothing got scuffed. It's center of the wheel for the prettiness of it. I need a better light to show you the perfection of this car. Look at this. And there's no door panel. Try to lean back a bit more. Really needs to be cleaned. The dashboard is really dusty. I need to clean it off. And this is a junkyard door panel because right now, manual windows. I have power lock, it's just not here. I just fixed that power lock yesterday, tore it apart, fixed it, so. Anyway. So thanks for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.